We're on a mission to reconnect every family and kid back to where food comes from by helping them experience the magic of growing it themselves. No green thumb or backyard needed. And to do that, we're building the organic garden brand for a new generation. Complete with easy and fun indoor grow kits to help you get started, or USA-grown organic seed packets to help you discover dozens of new, fun, and tasty varieties, and soils and raised beds that are great for your plants and the planet, so you can grow the garden of your dreams easily and sustainably. Also, as you grow, don't forget to share a photo of your Back to the Roots garden with hashtag #GrowOneKit1, because for every photo you tag with that hashtag on social media, we'll donate a gardening kit and a STEM curriculum to the elementary school classroom of your choice. So from soil to seedling to smile, we hope you join us to grow together.